Hey ladies, so 2024 natural makeup tips. That's what I keep getting asked for. That's what I personally love because we don't have time, do we? We just want to look our best, most naturally vibrant self every day in the easiest possible way. So I'm just going to really quickly show you a handful of products and how easy it is to create a very natural. Now, less is more. So I don't know about you, but I used to wear double wear foundation when I was younger. And now I'm in my 40s, I'm 45 now. I just feel like when I wear foundation, it really ages me. So less is more. This product, CODE LLE, that I'm using at the moment, Lid Lift Enhance, so many of our customers use it to replace their foundation. So I'm using it on a few spots that I've got. I'm using it to cover underneath my eyes and my eyelids, which is actually what it was made for originally. So if you've got tired or hooded eyes, this really is the antidote to tired eyes. It will smooth and lift and brighten. And I'm using it where I feel like I need it. So I've got redness around my nose area. I've got a couple of spots and imperfections, a few sort of veins. And I'm using it just to give me a base instead of using foundation. So less is more. Now, if you do anything to pick yourself up and give yourself a gorgeous glow, HTG Hydrate Tint and Glow is just fantastic for that. So I'm using the fairest shade, which is Peach Moonstone, and I'm using this because it is a fantastic way of giving you a lovely natural glow without it looking like you've got too much makeup on. Very, very natural. It's the way forward. You can use it for lips, eyes and cheeks. It does come in 3 shades, but this Peach Moonstone I absolutely love. And even though the pink quartz, for example, looks really, really bright, it is not bright when you put it on, but it is lovely and buildable. So next I'm going to do brows. They frame your face. It's a very easy way again of looking naturally vibrant. Excuse the fact that I need to actually get mine done. I will make some time to do that over the next week or so. So I'm using the shade Black because I like my brows really, really dark. I know that a lot of you don't. So we've got Bronze, which, you know, very, very fair. So great for blondes. Some of our grey-haired ladies uses Bronze. Bronze sounds red, but it's not. It's like just really very, very pale and natural. Then we've got Brown. So a lot of our blondes also who like their brows darker will use Brown. It's quite a dark brown. And then we've got Black, which I switch between brown and black depending on what mood I'm in. Next, I'm going to go in with the Lash kit. So CODE FFL, I never used to wear every day, but as I'm getting older and my lashes are getting thinner, I'm finding that I need it now just to give me that fullness and give me a bit of a head start. So CODE FFL is Forget Fake Lashes. It's a pre-mascara lash plumper. You can wear it under any mascara. So if you've got your favourite mascara, this will really just make it work harder for you. So when you first put it on, it doesn't look like it's doing anything at all. And then when you apply the mascara over the top, that's when you really see it working. So I'm not putting too much on because, again, this is about looking naturally vibrant. I don't want them to be over the top. I want them to look really elegant and natural still. So I'm going to apply VLM over the top, volumizing, lengthening mascara, which is ours, but you can use any. And CODE VLM is, very similar formula, similar sturdy brush, wide gaps, different length bristles. And that is because it will be perfect for getting in between your lashes and building and separating and lengthening. Make sure you do this roll through. That will give you beautiful fanned out lashes. Now the FFL adds some sort of fullness and volume. So there you have it. I mean, that is the tiniest amount and it makes the biggest difference. So yeah, FFL I feel like I'm relying on as I'm getting older. I never used to wear it before, but CODE FFL, Forget Fake Lashes, is a fantastic pre-mascara lash plumper. Now, 2024, we want to look our best, naturally vibrant, but without being overly done. Now, I always think that using a lip liner, especially, over 40, I think it just really helps with a few things. It helps to shape the lips, but it also helps to hold whatever lip product you're going to put over the top. So I'm just going to apply SSL lightly. I need my readers, don't I, to see. There you go. So rub it in as quickly as I can because I don't want it to stay as a thick line. I want to have a base because I want it to hold on to my my lipstick. So I'm smudging it in, just giving it a base for myself. And then I'm going to pull the look together, again, naturally vibrant. And I'm going to use Peach Moonstone. It's very, very pale. And I just love that look. It also makes my lips fuller. It's really hydrating and nourishing. And finally, which I often wear on its own, is CODE LLE to give me that gorgeous shine without the stickiness. And there you have it, a really easy, quick way to look naturally vibrant in 2024.